Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's quick tutorial, I am going to show you how you can host a website on GitHub Pages. It's completely free. Whether it's a portfolio, a project, or a fun HTML website. At the end of this video, you will be able to see your website on the internet with just few clicks. No domain, no hosting, no extra fees, just code and GitHub magic, and you will be able to see your website on the internet for free. So let's get started and bring your website to life. Let's begin with the uploading thing. So first you need to have a project. So let's make a new index.html file. Let's make a simple hello GitHub pages, and let's change the title to GitHub pages. Let's keep it right there. So if I go live and let's see, so this is our page and hello GitHub pages. So to upload this on GitHub pages, we need to first upload this to GitHub. So for that you have to get a GitHub account and there create a new repo, and let's name the repo as GitHub pages and create the repository. So now there are two ways of uploading the files on GitHub. It's the developer way and the normal way. So let's do it the developer way. So यहाँ पे लिख रखा है कैसे करते हैं, और you can just do this. So first you need to set the origin of your VS Code to the GitHub. First you need to initialize, so git init, and now your GitHub is initialized on VS Code, and now you have to set the origin of your VS Code to GitHub. So for that the command is git remote add origin and this link, and now your origin is set. Now what you got to do is add all these files. So now this file is added and now we need to commit. So git commit -m. So this is the message, initial commit, and now this file is ready to be pushed on GitHub. So for that we need to set the branch to main, and for that we have to run this command git branch -m main, and now our branch is created on GitHub. So all you gotta do is just push, so git push and the origin branch and our main branch, and now this file is live on GitHub. So if I reload this page, here is our index.html. Now I want to send this to my friend, so he have to download this and then run it on his own computer. So that's so inconvenient. So for that we have a solution, GitHub pages. We can just simply host this on GitHub pages and send it to anyone on the internet. So for that it's so simple. We need to go to the settings and pages and deploy from a branch. Select the branch and click save. So it takes some time to analyze your files and host it on GitHub pages, so we have to wait for some time. Our site is live at this link, so we can click on this link and here is our site, and here is the hello GitHub pages, and this is the index.html we created on our computer. And now we can send this link to anyone on the internet and he can just see this page. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.